Hello Earthlings, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Y'all obviously can see what the video is about today. So starting out, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. I don't never remember the color, but it's just a really light concealer. So I'm just going to put that on my eyes and start with the eyeshadow look. Okay, y'all, so I'm using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using the black out of here. It's the only color that I use. This look is really glam, but it's so simple because I only use one eyeshadow and a glitter. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm going back in with this same concealer, and I'm just going to make an outline before I go in with my glue. Well, it's not glue, it's like a glitter primer or whatever. I guess it's kind of like glue, I really don't know. But I'm just using my concealer first to get the outline, and then I'm going to go in with the glue. Okay, y'all, so I'm using my red glitter in the color Arson. I got these on my website, and my website is always in my description box. I have a red, which is called Arson. I have an orange one, which is called Sunset Boulevard. And then I also have a gold one called Goddess. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to use my witch hazel to clean up the fallout from the eyeshadow, and then after this I'm going to take some tape, and that's how I get the extra glitter off my face. It works way better than just trying to clean it with the witch hazel. Okay, so that was literally it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on, then I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and put my lashes on. Okay, y'all, so I'm using this Rose Tonic Toner from Pixie. I got this recommendation from Jackie Ina's video, and I really like it, y'all. And also my lighting changed in this clip because I had got hungry, and I went to go eat and all that stuff, and so I had to bust out my other lights. But the lighting is going to change back, so it's only going to look like this for this little clip. Okay, y'all, so I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation and concealer today. The same stuff I use in every video. But I'm using the color 240 in the foundation, and I believe the number 10 in the concealer. Okay, so I also want to mention that this foundation oxidizes. So it might look crazy right now, but it's definitely going to blend in and be my color. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Beauty Bakery flour powder in the translucent color. I still don't know how I feel about this powder. I still think I'm just gonna go back to the Laura Mercier because I don't know. Okay, so if you watch any of my videos before, you know this is my ride or die product, my all-time favorite, one of my staples. I love this freaking Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, period. If you ain't got it, get it, okay? Okay, y'all, so for my lip combo, I'm using this brown lip pencil that I just got from the Beauty Supply. And I'm also going to use this Velvet Matte lipstick from Victoria's Secret. I don't know the color of it. I'm going to have to look. If y'all want to know, just comment down below. And then I'm also going to use this pink lip lacquer from e.l.f. Okay, so now I'm just finna put my highlighter on. I forgot to show it to y'all, but it's from Luna Cosmetics, and it's one of my favorite highlighters. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look for the face. And now for the outfit, I got the entire outfit from Shein. It's just like the right amount of sexy to me, y'all. Like, it's showing the perfect amount of skin. But if your boobs are the same size as mine or a little bigger, you probably do not want to get this dress, because yeah. But anyways, if y'all like the look, like my video, comment, subscribe, and turn y'all notifications on too, so y'all can know when I post.